Hello students, today we are going to study chemical reactions of phenol. First of all, we will study the electrophilic aromatic substitution on aromatic ring of phenol. OH group is activating and ortho and para directing group. Due to resonance, electron density is more at ortho and para position. So students, we will draw the resonating structure of phenol. So these are the resonating structure of phenol. We see that negative charge is coming on ortho and para position only. Okay, that means ortho and para position is having more electron density. That's why phenol is ortho para directing. Now some reactions are there. First one is nitration. Phenol reacts with dilute HNO3 and we will get two products. One is orthonitrophenol and second one is para-nitrophenol. Here ortho and para isomers can be separated by steam distillation. Okay, we can separate them by steam distillation because there is some difference in their boiling point, and this reaction takes place at low temperature at 298 Kelvin temperature. Orthonitrophenol is steam volatile due to intramolecular hydrogen bonding, while para-nitrophenol is less volatile due to intermolecular hydrogen bonding, which causes the association of molecules. So students, there is two type of hydrogen bondings are there. In the case of orthonitrophenol, intramolecular hydrogen bonding takes place. The hydrogen bonding within a molecule takes place. That is called intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Whereas in the case of para-nitrophenol, there is intermolecular hydrogen bonding. It is the hydrogen bonding between two para-nitrophenol molecules. Now coming to nitration. With concentrate nitric acid, phenol is converted to 2,4,6-trinitrophenol. In last reaction, we have discussed that phenol react with dilute nitric acid. It will convert into orthonitrophenol and para-nitrophenol. But if we will take concentrate nitric acid, phenol will convert into 2,4,6-trinitrophenol. It is also called picric acid. All the ortho and para positions will be occupied by NO2 group. The yield of the reaction product is poor. Nowadays, picric acid is prepared by treating phenol first with concentrate sulfuric acid, which converts it to phenol 2,4-disulfonic acid, and then with concentrated nitric acid to get 2,4,6-trinitrophenol. But we will study only this reaction because this is given in our textbook. So it is an important reaction because an important name is there, picric acid. Sometimes in exam question comes convert phenol into picric acid, then we will follow this reaction. Or question may be asked in such a way that how we can prepare picric acid. So this is about nitric acid. Now coming to halogenation. On treating phenol with bromine, different reaction products are formed under different experimental conditions. First, when the reaction is carried out in solvents of low polarity such as CaCl3, chloroform, or CH2, carbon disulfide, and at low temperature monobromophenols are formed. So this is the reaction, phenol reacting with bromine in the presence of carbon disulfide at 273 Kelvin. Phenol is converted to these two products. One bromine is attached at ortho position and another is attached at para position. And we know that major product will be para product because there is no repulsion between OH and Br group. But this ortho product is a minor product because there is repulsion between OH and Br group. Because of this, the molecule loses its stability. The usual halogenation of benzene takes place in the presence of a Lewis acid such as FeBr3, which polarizes the halogen molecule. Okay. In case of phenol, the polarization of bromine molecule takes place even in the absence of Lewis acid. It is due to highly activating effect of OH group attached to the benzene ring. So here this is an important reaction. So we will try to learn this reaction, that how bromine is attached as ortho and para position and which one is the major product and why it is a major product. Now there is one more condition of halogenation. When phenol is treated with bromine water, then 2,4,6 tribromophenol is formed as a white precipitate. So this is a reaction in which phenol reacts with bromine water and converted into 2,4,6 tribromophenol. All the ortho and para positions are occupied by bromine. Now students, example 11.5 is there. Write the structure of the major product expected from the following reactions. First is mononitration of 3-methylphenol. Student, this compound is 3-methylphenol and we want to make mononitration. Mononitration means only one nitro group will attach to the phenol. If we will do nitration, then we will get ortho and para products. So here this is the para product. This is para product. And this one is ortho product. OH here, CH3 and NO2 here. Now one question is there कि why NO2 is attached at this para position only, not at this para position? Because student, at this para position, if we will attach NO2, then it will feel repulsion and the molecule will lose stability. And now in the case of this para position, there is no repulsion, hence it having stability. That's why this ortho product we will get. Similarly, second, dinitration of 3-methylphenol. If we want to do dinitration, then one ortho position and para position will occupied by nitro group. So this ortho position and this para position both will be occupied by nitro group, not this ortho position. The reason is same, because in this position molecule will feel losing of stability here. Third is there, we will do the mononitration of this compound. Same, we will get para product. Now next one is Kolbe's reaction. Sodium phenoxide undergoes electrophilic substitution with carbon dioxide, a weak electrophile. Orthohydroxy benzoic acid is formed as the main reaction product. So this is the reaction, students. Here phenol reacts with NaOH and it will form sodium phenoxide, and this sodium phenoxide will react with carbon dioxide, and here this sodium phenoxide will undergo electrophilic substitution reaction and we will get the product salicylic acid in the presence of acidic medium. Okay, so this is salicylic acid on benzene ring 1 OH and at second position COOH group. So its name is 2-hydroxybenzoic acid and common name is salicylic acid. So it is also important compound. So sometimes question comes, convert phenol into salicylic acid, or how we will get salicylic acid from phenol. This such type of questions comes. Next one is Reimer-Tiemann reaction. Here this is phenol reacting with CHCl3 and aqueous NaOH. One intermediate is formed. On treating phenol with chloroform in the presence of sodium hydroxide, a CHO group is introduced at ortho position of benzene ring. Okay, this CHO position is introduced at ortho position of benzene ring. This reaction is known as Reimer-Tiemann reaction. The intermediate substituted benzyl chloride is hydrolyzed in the presence of alkali to produce salicylaldehyde. Okay, then further this compound converts into salicylaldehyde in the presence of acidic medium. So it is also a very important reaction because it is a named reaction, Reimer-Tiemann reaction. So this reaction comes several times in exam frequently. So in exam the question is asked in such a way that how we will convert phenol into salicylaldehyde, and like this also how salicylaldehyde will form from phenol. So this is the reaction, that is Reimer-Tiemann reaction. Next is reaction of phenol with zinc dust. So this is phenol and zinc dust gives benzene and zinc oxide. Next, oxidation. Oxidation of phenol with chromic acid produces a conjugated diketone known as benzoquinone. So this is the reaction, students, when phenol reacts with Na2Cr2O7, chromic acid, sodium dichromate in the presence of acidic medium, that is we are taking H2SO4, this phenol will convert into benzoquinone. So phenol is converted into benzoquinone. So this type of questions also comes. Give a one method of preparation of benzoquinone, or how we can prepare benzoquinone from phenol, or convert phenol into benzoquinone. So students,